Good afternoon, Lehigh Valley, on this Thursday, October 27th. It's another Thursday. We're also talking about rain, and it's pretty much covering the state. We've got showers from Allentown all the way back to the west because we have a front passing through. You can kind of see the back edge of it here toward the end of this radar loop, cutting to the northwest of Erie here. All this has to slide through, and once it does, it's going to clear out the rain, but we are going to be looking at much colder air moving into our picture. A wider view shows you can see this front better defined here, cutting through the Ohio Valley down into Texas. This storm system here actually brought Denver their first snowstorm of the year yesterday, and this storm is also the one, in case you've been hearing rumors about a chance of snow this weekend, this could ride up the coast close enough to bring us some wet snow during the day on Saturday. At this point, it doesn't look like there would be too much accumulation, but if it would come close enough, we could be seeing some snow falling from the sky during the day on Saturday. This is something to watch for the weekend. In any case, we will be watching for colder air to move in, and that will be the big story. As far as the rain goes, though, here's our future weather. You can see by 5 o'clock tonight, still looking at showers for a good part of the state here, and then this will begin to move away during the evening, and by midnight, clear skies across the Commonwealth. We will watch these clear skies really give way to those colder temperatures during the overnight hours. And of course, as we move into the day on Friday and Saturday, I'm not even going to stop this. You can see it just remains partly to mostly sunny through the period, and we will watch, of course, those clear skies continue until Saturday. That's when clouds begin to move in with the chance of that storm. You can see the precipitation on this particular model is kept offshore for Saturday. However, some of our models do bring that storm close enough to bring us some snow. Now, the other part of the story, as I mentioned, is the temperatures. These are going to be taking a huge hit. You can see it's still warm in the eastern part of the country with 60s, 70s, and even 80s, but those are going to get crushed as this front continues to make eastward progress. We will watch all this colder air to the north and west begin to move eastward. It's 27 in Denver, plenty of 30s out here as well. So this is where our weather will be coming from as early as tonight. Future temperatures shows that by 5 o'clock tonight, we're already cooling down. 40s in Allentown, still around 60 in Philadelphia though, but that will be changing in a hurry. Plenty of cooler weather is off in the center of our state by 5 o'clock tonight. By midnight, take a look at how these temperatures fall. We go from the 40s at 5 already down to 36 in Allentown by midnight, and even some 20s beginning to show up here in the purple colors. And then tomorrow morning, all areas below freezing. We'll see our first freeze tonight in the Lehigh Valley. That's when you wake up. We will be at 31 in Allentown, plenty of 20s in a good part of Pennsylvania. And tonight I am forecasting low temperature in Allentown to get down to 29 degrees. So that will be the first time that's happened since back in March. So get out the coats. You're going to need them. And then tomorrow morning we'll begin to warm it up again. By 10 o'clock we'll be back to around 40, but we will not go much past that. As high as tomorrow, we'll get stuck in the 40s. Now, overnight tonight, we will watch as it will be clearing out. The rain will leave, and that's going to allow temperatures to drop. 28 to 32 for those low temperatures with winds out of the north at about 6 to 12 miles an hour. So not too much of a factor. Tomorrow, we will watch it be November-like. The sun will be out, so that's a plus, but it's going to be chilly with highs in the mid to upper 40s. Winds continue out of the west about 5 to 10 miles an hour. So this is certainly a fall-feeling day. And again, at least it will be bright. Here's a look at the forecast for the next 5 days. For Saturday, again, that wet snow is possible if that storm comes close enough, but either way, it's going to be real cold. The high only 41. Saturday night, we will go down to 29 again. Sunday, we're back to 50 degrees with sunshine. And Monday, a Halloween treat, no tricks, 54 with partly sunny skies.